This is a brief tutorial over Blackboard for your Capstone course. First, you're going to go to dalton-online.blackboard.com. Here you're going to enter your email as your username, and the password Dalton, all lowercase. Or it can be your password that you created when you placed your order online. First, you're going to go to Courses, and then you're going to click into your Planned Presentation Capstone course. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a gray menu that lists all that you have access to within this course. Upon arrival, you will see the syllabus. You should click this and download and read through it before starting your course. It's going to open a Word document. The syllabus will have everything you need to know about the course. It goes over textbook information, the 2 different phases, important due dates, and live class dates, instructions on how to add audio into your presentation, a grading rubric, and policies, and much more. Above this syllabus tab, you're going to find your announcements. Any announcements sent to your email will also be posted here. To begin the course, you'll need to click into Phase 1 and complete that first. Phase 1 can be completed at any time after you finish your fundamentals course. This is because the information covered in this section will be from the fundamentals course. This phase involves going through 3 lessons and taking a 25-question midterm. The lessons can be found here, and you'll go through obviously 1, 2, and 3 in that order. Whenever you're done with the lessons, you'll go into the next step under Phase 2 on Lesson 3. This is where you're going to find access or instructions on how to access your 25-question midterm and more information. So in order to get into Test Bank, where you'll take your midterm, you'll click on this link. You will use the same email you used to log into Blackboard, and the password is Dalton, all lowercase. From here, you're going to see a drop-down menu that you see all of your classes listed, or your courses listed. In order to access the Capstone midterm, go to Education Capstone 2018. Here you will see the Capstone midterm. But right now it's listed as complete because I've completed it. In order to see your grades, you'll go into Program Progress, and this will list all of your grades for each of your courses. Once you pass this Capstone course, you will see the midterm and the presentation score. You'll be able to print a letter of completion if you need this for your records. Next, we have Phase 2. We recommend students finish income tax planning before starting Phase 2. This will help you understand the concepts you will be applying and how to handle the tax analysis and tax calculator. The first thing you will need to do for Phase 2 is watch Jim Coleman's lectures. They cover course expectations, a demo of the Singer presentation, and how to use the financial statement software, and they can be found in the recorded classes and examples area. And then you'll click into Phase 2 instructor presentation and recorded sessions. These recordings will get you started on your presentation. Jim also holds regular live office hours on the dates listed in your course syllabus. To access one of these live classes, you'll click into this folder here. This will open another window, and you will enter your name and join as a guest. It may take a minute. These office hours are for students who are actively working on their presentation. Here they can ask any questions they may have for Jim within this chat area here. Obviously, class is not in session, so it'll be a little bit different, but this is what it basically looks like. All of these classes will be available as a recording as well. You can find those plus example presentations in the same folder as the introductory recordings. So back here, you have your office hours recordings and your example presentations. Continuing on in Phase 2, there are also instructions on how to access your financial software from your textbook and a frequently asked questions document. So if you go back to Phase 2, you'll see those listed here. And access instructions and quick start guide for financial statements website. You can also find templates you can use for your financial case presentation or your final case presentation. Finally, once you're ready to submit your presentation, once it's all complete, here's the instructions in which you'll use WeTransfer to submit to Capstone at dalton-education.com. We recommend using WeTransfer when submitting your presentation so you don't have to create an account anywhere, and it's quick and easy and free. You can use others besides WeTransfer, such as Dropbox, email, Google Drive, or any other sharing method. Just make sure you use, just make sure to send all of the files all at once to capstone at dalton-education.com. You'll receive an automated confirmation email from this address once you have submitted the documentation properly. So first you're going to go to wetransfer.com. And here you'll be brought to your automated, or this is the free section. You'll click on this add your files, and it'll bring up your files. You'll just add those in all at once into one file. You'll put in Capstone at dalton-education.com along with your email that you use to log into Blackboard. And enter your first and last name in the message box. So here. So once you have your files added, you should see them listed here. You'll email it to capstone at dalton-education.com using your email here. So I'll just put mine just to give you an example. and then your first and last name as the message. And then you'll click transfer, and it'll take a few seconds to transfer. But you will receive an automated email to the email that you used here once it's been submitted and received by Capstone at dalton-education.com. So this wraps up the overview for your Capstone course. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to email info@dalton-education.com and we'd be happy to help. Best of luck on your Capstone course.